my YouTube channel. My name is Ojuolape. I live right here in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria, the mother of three. Woo! I say a very big welcome. Now, today, don't just be surprised of what I have for you. Kids were like telling me they are tired of eating yam and egg, yam and stew, yam and butter. I was like, so what next? So we decided to check out Sisiyemmie Recipe. When we check out Sisiyemmie Recipe, we were surprised to see our garden egg sauce. I said, wow. So today I watched through Sisiyyemmie's video on how she prepared our garden egg sauce, though it was a very short video, but I really enjoyed it. I think I learned something. So today I'm going to take you on how I prepare my garden egg sauce after watching Sisiyyemmie's video on how when I wash it. Yes, there's another thing about Sisiyyemmie's video that I love so much. The way she presents it, the way she makes it, you feel like rushing down to her house to knock at her door and say, Sisiyemmie, please let me just be a visitor for just 24 hours. Wow. But today I don't need to visit Sisiyyemmie's house. I want to prepare Sisiyyemmie's recipe. Now please guys, just give me my mark after preparing. Please call me weird. Don't score me a very low mark. You know, wherever I've made mistake, what correction I need to do, just write in my comment section. So let me take you to the kitchen and how I prepare garden egg sauce. Come along with me. So this is my garden egg. I'll be using my garden egg. So this is my salt to taste. We are using salt. So we are going to be using palm oil. So this is my red oil. Then you can use your groundnut oil if it's there. I'll be using my seasoning. So this is I'll be making use of tomato, my pepper, and my bawa. So this is my pepper. So I'm using my fish. I'm going to shred them. So this is my shredded fish. I've shredded it. So I'm adding my garden egg. I'm going to boil it for just 5 minutes. So I'm going to cover it. Covering it.